Hey guys, John Urist here from Hellion. So we're really excited today to talk about something we've been working on for a long time. You've just bought your Ram 1500 TRX. It's an amazing truck. There's only one thing that it needs, and you know it and so do I, is it needs more power. So you can adjust a few things, maybe a pulley here or a belt there, but the truth is that's not enough. It needs something like twin turbos, and that's what we've done here. We have a bolt-on twin turbo kit. Yes. How did all of this start?
What did it make on power? Wait, what?
Folks, meet our good friend and YouTube star, Weston Champlin. Weston asked if we wanted to use his TRX to build a new twin turbo system.
So I called my buddy John from Hellion Turbo, and that is exactly what we did. And these are the ones that's going on there? Oh! I don't know what that does, but it's red and I like it. How big are these? 64. So we're having twin 64s on top of the supercharger.
After an intense R&D session, we had the kit we wanted. A true bolt-on that keeps the factory hood scoop. All American-made stainless steel piping. Most importantly, comes with the legendary Hellion turbochargers. Yes, these are the units you've heard about. Instant spooling and industry-leading power and torque. We have two choices. You can keep the supercharger and add the twin turbos to it, which will make this a compound system. Or we can remove the supercharger, add an intercooled intake manifold, and be twin turbo only. The choice is yours. How did it dyno?
Can we turn up the boost a little bit? We can turn it up a whole lot. Oh, that thing was partying for a second. 922 horsepower. Oh, at the tire. So hold on. Let me do some redneck calculations. What is that what's that at the crank, huh? Oh, way over 1,000.
Killer power, over 900 horsepower. That was compounded. What about other shops? What are their experiences? Gearhead Fabrications in Florida made 996 rear wheel horsepower. That's at the tires. Listen to that killer startup. Do you hear him? Every time it revs, you hear those Hellion turbos. Those turbos are tucked up perfectly. And as we've mentioned before, all of this with keeping the factory hood scoop operational. Okay, so now let's remove this supercharger and put on a billet intake manifold. Wow, Barth Tuning in Georgia, 1,152 horsepower at the tires. So there you have it, the ultimate upgrade from a company that's been making turbo kits for over 20 years. Click on our link below if you want to see more details about this amazing kit.